Hi guys, so we are back again after a long break. Hope all of you are doing fine. Dr. Adarsh, say hi.
Hello guys.
So we've missed all of you a lot, and we are back at Saryu, and we started, all of the procedures, including the laser hair removal and the surgical procedures, fillers, everything. And Dr. Adarsh, what exactly are you doing right now?
Right now we are doing chin filler. So already in the previous setting we had three PDO threads on each side of cheeks. So today she is concerned about her jowl area and regressed chin because of the bulge on her cheek portion. So we are making it in a equal alignment so that the jowl will get removed and her lower one third of the face will get defined and her chin area will be proclaimed, so that overall appreciation of the lower face of the patient will be in shape.
Okay, and how long do these fillers last?
So this particular filler what we are using right now is Restylane Lift and Restylane Voline. So they will last for approx more than 1.5 years in this patient.
Okay. So guys, I don't want to disturb Dr. Adarsh too much, so let me just give you some very quick information. So the filler that we are doing right now is Restylane. We are combining two different fillers by the same company to give you a more well-defined and more natural look. This is a previous patient who's already undergone 6 cork threads, 3 on each side, and she's come back for her chin fillers now. And if you want something permanent for your chin, we have something known as a chin implant surgery, which is a painless procedure with minimal downtime, and in which we are using silicone US FDA approved implants, which are curated according to your desire. So for people who generally want a broader chin or a longer chin, or especially for people who are transitioning, for example, males who are transitioning into females or females who are transitioning into males. Am I right, Dr. Adarsh?
Yes.
This procedure of chin implant is very, very common with them. So we are also taking up patients like that, because as you know, the basic anatomy of the male and female jawline and the chin is different. And we are also doing cheek, nose and jawline implants as well. So Dr. Adarsh, I know all the people who follow us regularly know this, but can you please tell me one more thing? For newly joined people, are there any side effects of this filler? लोगों को ये बहुत confusion रहती है कि ये हम कोई ऐसी चीज़ें check करा रहे हैं, इसका कोई side effect ना हो जाए?
These fillers are completely safe because they are made up of hyaluronic acid, that is a natural synthesizing product from our body. So there are no side effects of these kind of fillers. In fact, they help and benefit your aging process, and they help in collagen formation in that particular area. So the basic purpose of hyaluronic acid is to bind water from the collagen so that the volume of that particular area will be intact.
Okay.
जो ये आपका फिलर है, ये एक नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट से बना होता है जो कि हमारी बॉडी में खुद से रिलीज होता है,
Right.
और 0 साइड इफेक्ट होता है इसका.
राइट. सो वो लोग जिनको ये डाउट है कि कहीं पर तो फिलर 15,000 पर ml का होता है, कुछ क्लिनिक्स में 30,000, कुछ में 40,000, वो सारे डाउट्स को क्लियर करने के लिए डॉक्टर आदर्श के यूट्यूब एंड IGTV पर हिंदी में एक वीडियो है जिसमें हमने डिस्कस किया है फैक्टर्स डिसाइडिंग कॉस्ट ऑफ फिलर्स, जिसका हम इंग्लिश वर्जन भी बहुत जल्दी अपलोड करने वाले हैं, सो दैट इट इज easy for you people to understand why there is so much of variation in the cost. So that's all for now. We will be back after an hour to show you our favorite facial rejuvenation procedure. And if you have any queries, any doubts, please DM us and our team will get back to you. So that's all for now. Dr. Adarsh, say bye.
Bye guys.
And it was lovely seeing you. I'm really happy seeing so many people. This shows how eagerly you all have been waiting for us to go live. And I promise you that we are coming up with some great content. In fact, we have already posted some amazing content on our YouTube channel by the name of Dr. Adarsh Tripathi. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and see you guys after an hour for the facial rejuvenation procedure. Bye bye.